Green technology refers to the development and application of innovative solutions that are designed to improve the environmental performance of various industries and activities. It involves using technology to reduce or eliminate negative impacts on the environment, while promoting sustainability and conservation. Green technologies can be applied in various sectors, including energy, transportation, agriculture, manufacturing, and construction. Some examples of green technologies include renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, energy-efficient lighting and appliances, electric vehicles, green buildings, water conservation technologies, and waste reduction and recycling systems. The goal of green technology is to minimize the impact of human activities on the environment, while promoting economic growth and social development. By using green technologies, we can create a more sustainable future and preserve natural resources for future generations.